Blitzkrieg, lightning war, a strategy so fast and overwhelming that entire countries collapsed in weeks. But why was it so effective, especially in the early years of World War II?
Instead of slow trench warfare like World War I, Germany used tanks, aircraft, motorized troops, and radios for communication, all working together in one massive push.
European armies expected a slow, static war. They prepared for trenches, defensive lines, and long battles. But Blitzkrieg attacked from directions they didn't expect, at a speed they had never seen. Most defenders didn't even have time to reposition. Germany didn't use tanks alone. They used combined arms, meaning every part of the military worked in sync. Planes bombed enemy positions first. Tanks broke through the weakened line. Motorized infantry followed instantly to secure the ground. No pauses, no time for the enemy to recover. Most armies used runners or telephones to give orders. Germany put radios in almost every tank. This allowed real-time coordination. If a gap opened in enemy defenses, they pushed through it immediately. It turned chaos into opportunity. Blitzkrieg didn't just break lines, it broke morale. Many defenders thought they were completely surrounded when they weren't. Confusion spread faster than German tanks, and panic can defeat an army faster than bullets. Blitzkrieg succeeded because it combined rapid movement, perfect timing, air and ground teamwork, instant communication, and psychological shock. It wasn't magic, it was modern warfare, used before anyone else was ready for it.